Okay, so what we're doing in this video is we're going to look at composing a trig function with an inverse trig function, all right? So something like this, you could get the answer in a decimal form by just typing it into the calculator, all right? I'm in degree mode. If I do tangent of sine inverse of 3/8, I get 0.40451. 0.40451. And this decimal goes on forever and makes all kind of crazy twists and turns. But I want to know what this would be as as an exact answer. All right. It's not going to turn out to be just some nice fraction on this one, although they could. It's going to be like the square root of something over something else, and that's what I'm after. So the key way of answering this, the main piece of information is this right here. You need to understand that this is an angle, okay? When you say sine inverse of 3/8, you're asking what angle do I have to take the sine of to get 3/8, right? So what this statement represents is sine of some angle. Actually, I'll just call it theta. Sine of some angle theta equals 3/8, right? I'll say equals 3/8. So from this, I can build a right triangle to represent this little statement, all right? Now it's sine of some angle is equal to 3/8, all right? So if I build my right triangle, I know the 8's going to represent my hypotenuse, and the 3 would be my opposite side. So I think this would make more sense if 3 was that side. So it's sine of this angle, right? That way I have opposite over hypotenuse giving me 3/8. Now, what I want is I want to be able to do tangent of this angle. So I want to do tangent of this angle right here. That's what I'm actually trying to find out. So it's going to be opposite over adjacent, whatever this side is right here. To solve for this side, of course, you could do 3 squared plus x squared equals 8 squared and move stuff to the other side, take the square root. What it's going to be is it's going to be the square root of 64 minus 9, okay, which is square root of 55, okay? That's what this side is down here. So you do the Pythagorean theorem to find that out, and now you can answer the final question. Tangent of theta, tangent of this angle that I'm interested in is going to be opposite over adjacent, 3 over root 55. This is your answer. Of course, you want to rationalize the denominator. So multiply by root 55 over root 55. And your answer is 3 root 55 over 55. All right. And I'll just check this so this is my exact answer of the decimal I had earlier. I'm just going to check it by typing this in. 3 root 55 over 55. And there you go. All right, it matches the decimal that we had earlier.